Kangana Ranaut Javed Akhtar face to face in court in defamation case. The court, which had warned Kangana Ranaut that failure to appear today would lead to a warrant being issued, marked her attendance and postponed the case to October. Actor Kangana Ranaut has filed a counter-complaint against lyricist Javed Akhtar in Mumbai court, alleging extortion and criminal intimidation. She has accused Mr. Akhtar of threatening her and also said she had lost faith in the Metropolitan Magistrates Court in Andheri. Ms. Ranaut's lawyer informed the court of a request to transfer the case. Ms. Ranaut's counter-complaint is in response to a defamation suit by Mr. Akhtar, who has alleged she dragged his name into a TV discussion last year on the death of actor Sushant Singh Rajput. The two came face to face in the courtroom, where Ms. Ranaut arrived, accompanied by her enhanced CRPF security entourage. During the filing of the counter-complaint, Ms. Ranaut's lawyer Rizwan Siddiqui accused Mr. Akhtar of making threats, although by his own admission, these alleged threats are an old matter. Kangana and Rangoli were called to Javed Akhtar's home. Javed Akhtar had no locus in their matter, but he called then and threatened them. This is not today, but this had been reported for 3 or 4 years, and Kangana said it many times. That she was scared and her modesty was outraged, he said. Kangana did not file a complaint thinking of his age, because he is now aggressively moving forward in this matter. Kangana got permission from her family to file her complaint, the lawyer added. Now she has recorded this in her complaint. When Javed Akhtar says he had nothing to do with this matter, why did he call Kangana? He asked in court. Mr. Siddiqui also said his client did not trust the judge, Metropolitan Magistrate R.R. Khan, who last week warned Ms. Ranaut that failure to appear for today's hearing could lead to a warrant. Ms. Ranaut had been called last week but stayed away citing COVID-19 symptoms. Today was her first appearance according to PTI since the February summons. Kangana's health is still not completely fine, but still I told that you come to the court so that it does not feel that we are not coming. Why is the judge repeatedly calling Kangana to the court? Threat to issue warrant was given twice, Mr. Siddiqui declared. When her lawyer is present for every hearing, and Kangana also appeared before the court once before, what is the need still call her? He added. The actor wants the judge in this case to be changed, he declared. At the previous hearing on September 14, when Ms. Ranaut had sought exemption, Mr. Akhtar's lawyer declared her request an orchestrated tactic to delay the case proceedings. Earlier, her request to cancel the defamation suit was rejected by the Bombay High Court. Rizwan Siddiqui argued the Metropolitan Magistrate had mechanically ordered the inquiry against his client without assigning any reasons. Javed Akhtar's lawyer Jay Bhardwaj sought dismissal of a plea, saying that the magistrate and applied his mind to direct an inquiry after examining Mr. Akhtar's complaint.